Alrighty folks, the whole purpose of this one here is to let everybody know it's a project that I've kind of been planning for the last about 2 years. I've always wanted to put a manual transmission like a T56 or a Muncie 4-speed, something of that nature behind an electric motor. It's always been a dream of mine for like the last 10 years or so, and seeing the way that electric cars are progressing, especially with the Tesla. I'm sure everyone's seen 1320's video last week of a Tesla popping off at like a 908 at 154. So in other words, it's got an 8-second pass engine. All it needs is a little beep boop software updated and probably run an 8. And I think with that milestone approaching, it's a good time to go ahead and share what we've been doing for like the last 2 years. We've been squirreling away parts to build this machine that I know sounds backwards, an electric motor with a manual old school transmission like a T56. Anything straight cut, obviously no synchros. But yeah, it's just, I love manual transmission cars. I'm always been intrigued by electric cars. I do not want anything super computer controlled. I want essentially an electric motor ran through a manual transmission. I want everything to be mechanical, not computer controlled. I'm looking to buy like an old wreck Tesla or something now simply for the battery pack, because that's the one piece that we do not have. We do not have a battery pack. So I'm trying to find a way to run this electric motor and everything. But anyways, just thought I'd upload this, let everyone know what the plan was. I'm going to show everyone what we do have in a few days and mention more specifics. But yeah, if you have any pieces you think could contribute, let me know, because I'm in the market to buy all the pieces that I'll need to finish this project. And like I said, I have quite a few, but I don't have all. I do still need a good straight cut transmission. I've got a Muncie rock crusher, but I'd like a different one. Things of that nature. So, you know, it's going to be an interesting project though, and I hope everyone stays tuned, pays attention, and enjoys it. And if anyone has any great ideas, drop them below. Like I said, this is an open Discord for good discussion. So let me know what y'all think of this crazy, insane idea that I've had for like the last 10-15 years and actually been trying to make happen like the last 2. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day.